Next, I will explain remeshing. Remeshing allows you to easily change the resolution of a mesh. The main differences between remeshing and dynamic topology are the shape of the generated polygons and the ability to merge the mesh. Remeshing is frequently used during sculpting, so it's beneficial to learn how to use it early on. The process is straightforward. You only need to adjust the voxel size value in most cases. Let's change the voxel size value from the remesh panel. The lower the value, the higher the resolution, and conversely, the higher the value, the lower the resolution. You can visually adjust the voxel size using the shortcut R on your keyboard. Once you set the voxel size, apply remeshing by pressing Ctrl R. You can generally ignore the other settings as they may result in unintended topology. Although remeshing is a highly convenient feature, there are some precautions to keep in mind. First, remeshing cannot be used while dynamic topology is enabled, so make sure to turn it off before applying remeshing. The second point is related to the voxel size value. If this value is set too low, the resolution will increase, which may cause your computer to freeze and potentially crash Blender. Therefore, avoid increasing the resolution unnecessarily. Holding down Shift while adjusting the voxel size allows for finer control, making it easier to tweak the value. The third precaution is that if the mesh is extremely thin, it may become distorted as shown. In such cases, ensure the mesh has enough thickness before performing a remesh.